Good morning, friends. Myself Kedar Badeka, and today I am taking your lab number 8 of the subject of which is Basics of Industrial Engineering. So, before that, we completed the uh, lab number 1 to 7s, and I'm giving your exercise to you. I think you will complete after the completions of your mid semester examinations, right? So, it's just a one day work. You have to just write the 2 to 3 page of every experiments, and it will be completed after I think if you are ready to give the 3 to 4 hour, it will be completed definitely. So basically the lab number 8, which is about the study on the analysis of the problem which is faced by the new entrepreneur, right? Suppose you after completion of your graduations, you want to start your own business, your own entrepreneurs, right? Your own organizations, your own any kind of the product manufacturing business. If you have some kind of the facilities, and I think you can also create the facilities with the help of the government. Many schemes of the governments are available. The governments of the central governments and the state governments are giving many kind of the facilities to the new entrepreneur to start their startups, right? The startup word which is very famous right now, right? And nowadays it is very famous because the government of India and the state governments are majorly focusing on the new startups, new businesses, right, in the markets, because there is a problem of certain kind of the job developments. If everybody wants to after completions of the graduations and the masters, if everybody wants to doing the jobs at some places, the places are not at enough right now for that giving that opportunities, right? So right now we are focusing more focus on the generating some kind of the new entrepreneurships businesses and in the current global markets. So your lab number 8, which is only about what kind of the problems is, what kind of the obstacles are the as a new entrepreneur you have to face, right? Suppose you want to start one of the business, right? You need some kind of the basic facilities, right? For the product you need some kind of the equipments, you need some kind of the labors, you need some kind of the funding, you need some kind of the basic facilities at your places, which is about the waters, electricities, transportation facilities, road facilities. That is the basic things. And what kind of related that problems you have to face if you are starting your new own business. So you have to write down in 1 or 2 pages what kind of the obstacle, what kind of the problems you have to as an entrepreneur you have to face, right? This kind of the write up you can also find in your textbook, which is also available at that. The problem which is faced by the new entrepreneurs, or some kind of the obstacle which is faced by the entrepreneurs. So you have to write down that kind of the study experiments from that, and you have to try to understand what they are facing, some kind of the problems which is related to the problem which is related by the analysis. You have to do the analysis now, and try to analyze that thing. How can we solve this kind of the problems with the help of the governments, with the help of the some kind of the state government issues related to export import issues. So you have to write down all that problems in your exercise number 8. I think you can understand what I am trying to saying about the exercise 8, right? So this is all about the exercise number 8. I think you can understand. Still you have any kind of the query, doubt related the experiment number 8, you still you didn't face some kind of the misunderstanding in the exercise 8, you can ask me any questions, any doubt into the comment sections, through the WhatsApp, through the calls. I will definitely help you. So after watching these video sessions of the exercise number 8, you have to write your enrollment number into the comment sections, which is counted as an online attendance. So this is all about the today's video sessions. Thank you so much for watching this video lectures.